Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today in this video we will be learning how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So the thing is, Instagram within new updates, it changes where your deactivation settings is. So a good feature here is that you have your search button. So in order to do this, you just need to go to your profile, click on the hamburg menu, and you'll find the search bar at the top. Now you need to type deactivation or deletion. Now you need to choose your profile, Instagram, click on continue, and click on your password, enter your password. So after you're done with the password, click on continue. Now it doesn't really matter what you choose here, just click on any of them and continue. Now you need to confirm temporary account deactivation. Now just click on deactivate account. And this will deactivate your Instagram account in a second. Now, whenever you want to log back into your account, you can just go ahead and click on use another profile and type your email address, your username if you remember, or even your mobile number if you have it saved in your profile. Now do that, enter your password and click on login. That's how you reactivate your account afterwards. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.